Hello. In this tutorial, I will present to you the SSO engine and how to navigate through the different features. The SSO engine allows the user to control the state of his ESSO, launch his applications registered in ESSO, manage the passwords of his applications, access his personal notes protected by his ESSO password, and consult his audit trail. From the toolbar of your Windows workstation, you can access your SSO interface by clicking on the SSO icon. The account window allows you to view all SSO applications that have been registered. It also serves as a launcher for your applications. By double-clicking on an application, you can open it. By right-clicking on an application account, you can also view the audit specifically for this application. You can also choose to display unregistered accounts. From the account menu, you can also have access to the delegation feature. For more information on this feature, I recommend to watch the tutorial on how to set up delegations between users. You can also view your account's password, change your account's password, and even add an account to the application. The Properties tab allows you to see several information related to your application account. You will be able to see the details of the different properties of your application and the ones who have been enabled or disabled. You can also see to which users was delegated the access to your account. When accessing the Notes menu, you can add personal notes that can be accessed by providing your SSO password. The Audit window allows you to see different events that occurred during a period of time that you choose. By double-clicking on an event, you can view its details. The Options interface allows you to change the look and feel of the SSO engine, as well as choose how you will sort your applications. Finally, the Home menu allows you to refresh, suspend, activate, or stop your SSO. You will also have access to applications marked as favorite. Thank you for following this video. You now should have a good view of how the SSO engine is designed and how to navigate through the different menus. If you want to know how to add, enroll an application, and more information on the SSO Studio, the tool necessary to add an application, I recommend to follow the tutorials at your disposal on the partner portal.